Yo, welcome to this video. Let's talk about a bunch of no-brainer offers for adult traffic, guys. So, when it comes down to it, adult traffic isn't like you just promote adult offers and it works. Like, that works absolutely, but also you could promote mainstream offers. Anything works, okay? Like, you could promote anything of the health, wealth, or love niches, but remember, it needs to be very broad appeal. It needs to appeal to a lot of people. So make sure you do that. And some things are not allowed, like some crypto offers and casino offers and selling guns and selling drugs and stuff like this. Obviously, it's not allowed. So you do anything other than that and you're going to crush it. You need to make sure the math works out, and you need to promote something at least that either converts really high and is low ticket or high ticket, or it needs to be very high ticket or medium ticket and converts pretty well. Okay, to work with any traffic source in general, but especially adult traffic. But good things to promote are, and by the way, here's another thing, brand awareness with adult traffic is insane. So if you have some brand you're trying to get awareness for, you could literally hyper target locations in the world. And if your offer or your business or anything you're doing can appeal to a lot of people, because you can't hyper target like you can with YouTube ads and Facebook ads, you could get insane brand awareness with the banner ads alone. Or with pop under ads, you can get insane brand awareness for what you're doing, okay? And your offers need to be seen as an event and needs to be seen as an urgent action. People need to take action right then, okay? You're looking for getting an immediate response. If you can get immediate response, you win. Okay, let's keep going here. So also, you can add in like bonuses, okay, for free for people converting on your offers. You can craft your own offers. I do this all the time with all my marketing. I'll pick a niche and I'll literally bundle together a ton of stuff and make a no-brainer offer. And that's what a no-brainer offer is. It's a bundle, and also stories in connection to an offer makes it an offer. Okay, like a no-brainer, because a story ups the value. And don't forget that ever. It's so important. Okay. When you add in more bonuses, you're going to crush it every time. So you could add in digital products. You can add in high perceived value. You can make it more high perceived by doing like a lot of social proof and adding more urgency and scarcity around it. Okay, that can up the ante. Also, associations to likable people, likable things, and stuff like that can work really, really well and make it a status increase. People buy into status increases, and people convert on offer for a deeper reason than you may think, a more emotional reason. People don't convert off logic and because of the price and stuff. People mainly convert off logic. I mean emotion every time, bro. It's crazy. Okay. So wealth offers do convert with adult traffic really well. I hardly share this very much, but just understand wealth offers are powerful, and everyone wants to make more money, right? And when you have a great trustworthy offer for anything wealth related, like real estate, or it could be make money online, or anything marketing related, or anything in general, social media marketing, doesn't matter. A wealth offer that's a no-brainer price and a no-brainer packaging and no-brainer bundle, everything together, it converts, okay, really well. The love niche, dating niche, relationship niche, that converts well. Any affiliate offer that's on Crackrevenue can convert well. Any CPA offer on Maxbounty or any other network converts really, really well. Just you can't do casino offers, like I said, and crypto offers and Forex, stuff like that, sadly. But you can in the back end of all your marketing that you do, guys. You can, okay? So anyway, you could also promote services. You could promote done-for-you stuff. You could promote consulting stuff. You could promote physical products and drop ship. You could actually drop ship and have a drop shipping store. Maybe it could be maybe weird, but it could be sex toys or whatever and a drop shipping store. Or it could just be a winning offer and Facebook's too strict and too expensive and you're just advertising on adult sites now. I'm telling you, that works. E-commerce is a crazy industry. You'll get super high conversions and it's super cheap for adult traffic. You will make money every time. Okay. Big promises are important. So big promises of results for whatever offer you're promoting. And it needs to be so exciting, okay? And excitement could come from urgency and scarcity, big time. It could come from a lot of social proof, associations to things they like. That works. But also excitement could come from a no-brainer price and just a ton getting given to them, okay? And you could build this offer yourself, or you could find great offers. But finding great offers is hard to craft because it's someone else's. So when you make your own, you win. You can win big time, okay? Another thing is leverage the 25 biases to increase your conversions, and then just simply you could Also, another thing is, no one thinks about this, but this is the last tip for you. If you add a phone number to your pre-sale pages and sales pages and ask people to call you for any questions, you can sell people over the phone to convert on the affiliate offer you're promoting. This can work for sweepstakes. This can work for adult offers and everything out there. Okay, it's powerful. It works. And I'll leave you guys with that. Peace out, learn machines. Go crush it. Peace.